Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Seldom. Seldom means not often. For example, Isla is seldom visited by tourists. Isla is seldom visited by tourists. Synonyms: rarely, infrequently, on rare occasions.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Trite stereotypes aside, folk artists seldom get the coverage they deserve. Now, repeat after me. Trite stereotypes aside, folk artists seldom get the coverage they deserve. The second exemplar. These days Brown seldom grants interviews, confining most communications to his website. Now, repeat after me. These days Brown seldom grants interviews, confining most communications to his website. The third exemplar. The world's poorest nations seldom get the chance to frighten the super rich. Now, repeat after me. The world's poorest nations seldom get the chance to frighten the super rich.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The original name for butterfly was flutterby.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.